What's the germination time on these 2x4s that are coming up here?
That takes a few years to grow them.
Oh, does it? Oh, okay.
By then they'll be worth
Don't
24
take
bucks
long
a
for them
piece.
to germinate. They germinate pretty quick.
Okay.
I think what happened is it caught on the
Yeah, you
bottom.
hit that
What
one.
kind of pointing?
Oh, it might be.
Because I got a track here. Yeah, it's an 8-foot
Oh,
track.
I see.
No, you're gonna get it wrong.
I'm getting this though. You okay? Just your pride hurt? So how much was the lumber?
120 bucks.
What'd you buy?
4 14-foot 2x4s and 4 8-foot 2x4s.
So that's it so far, that and screws. Yep.
So I took it off and I hit it with a punch from the inside, so it concaved it a bit. So it's tightened it up a little bit.
Oh, okay. I'm interested to hear what it sounds like now, because before it sounded like
Well,
you
I
were
still
torturing it.
Still got a bearing issue with it, but at least now the blade will stay tight.
Yeah.
As far as the fit, you know what? Might freaking work, brother. Missed it by that much.
Hopefully that should be the right length.
It's cut perfect.
Is it?
For a quarter of an inch.
Yeah.
No, it's cut perfect.
I'm getting what I'm paying for. In other words.
Exactly. Look, it's not my fault.
Sounds like Belushi. That's where
You think so? Well, I ain't gonna call you honey, so as far as that's going. That's not lined up. Put too many because you got a long way to come back.
I got it tight here.
Yeah, but is that 2x4 gonna cover the thickness of that space?
Well, it doesn't
This
really
is a
matter.
wider 2x4, guys. Remember that.
I understand, but you hear me out. We've got a big open gap here over top of the doorway. We're bridging with this like this, and
Put a couple of ripple in here. There. And he asked me to cut a piece like this, eh? So I cut it. So I cut one like this and one like this. So he hands it down for me. Cut it again. So he measure out another one. Got one like this and one like this. Hand it up to him and he just sits there and he looks at me. Doesn't say a freaking word, eh? Nothing. Next one I cut perfectly. Anything I say is gonna be an excuse.
I'm just saying.
I know you're just
I'm
saying.
just saying.
Your tape measure is funny.
Better shit. Okay. I wonder if we should put it this way. It'd probably be 10 times stronger. Instead of going like that, going like that. That's gonna be way stronger. Across, put two of them like this in this orientation, like that, and side by side, so it bridges, and that'll be our header.
Boy, you think screws are like cheap? You have to bring my bag. You can screw yours in no time.
Free one this week.
Yeah, well, those free ones aren't that big.
Oh, you should get them. In the thing there. There's a jar with them in the.
So what are you doing there? Are you just reinforcing it?
Well, we put a header on, right?
Yeah.
This is our header. We're just attaching it, so it's one structure.
Okay.
I got to come up through the bottom here and everything yet. Oh, yeah, to take out the crows and magpies and because the magpies will actually, he's making like 400, 500, 600 yard shots and taking out magpies and 40-mile-an-hour wind, and he's dialing it in there, and he's up on the hill, right? You can see the magpies. It must be a high caliber round because the magpies are just exploding, and it's got the most openings in it. That door really weakens it.
So 14 and 7/8. Is that what you see?
Yeah.
Well, that's the rock that your ball's in there, boy. Why is this one loose? Huh? What happened there? Oh, somebody didn't do his job. Yeah.
Good thing. Well, quality control over there. Found it.
Okay.
Yeah. Not bad.
Right on the money.
Oh, holy shit.
High tolerance.
Make sure things are level before we start screwing them down.
We're just like Mike Holmes. It's appeared to be level. Head on the board.
Head on the board.
Take this right out. We don't need this.
Like you want to try this line too.
Yes.
Okay, I see.
Okay. And then
You got a pencil?
go on 16-inch centers all the way down.
To the end.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so we might as well cut this one and cut another one and mark it.
Whoa. Why don't we cut one and bring it back up here and see if it fits?
See if it's going to fit. But
Before we ruin our 14-foot 2x4.
yeah, but it can't not. Okay, we'll cut it.
Do you remember who's doing the scribing on this side? Or did you forget? Hang on, we got to look sketchy for Tom.
Well, wait till I
There you
get in there. That's for you, Tom.
I need a skill saw on one end and a recent saw on the other end.
Yeah.
Always got to get it ready.
Technically, you should. So go this way. Come out here. This thing's got some flex in it too. Down.
Aha. Retrieve the pencil. All right then.